Okay, I'm going to literally show you the most amazing thing I just learned in Schoology. So in this folder right here, I have a folder that has completion rules. Do you see? Have to score, have to score, have to score. And when you do an assignment like this, you cannot set a due date. Here is what I discovered. I go into Gradebook, click these three dots right here, click Bulk Edit, and oh my goodness, look, I can assign the date, I can choose the time that it is due for all of the assignments that are in the bulk completion folder. Unbelievable. How did I never know this before?